Hi, this is a screencast to show you how to go to My English Lab, MEL, MEL, for our homework. The URL is english.com/login. You can bookmark this location so that it will show up here so that you don't have to put the URL in again. And this is how you do that. You would click on the star to create a bookmark. And you can see that I have mine already up here. It's under teaching product. So here's the sign-in page. And your sign-in will be HC plus your student ID number. So maybe your student ID number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So HC plus your student ID number. And then your password will be your student ID number, no HC. Again, HC plus your student ID number. And then your password will be your student ID number. For example. Okay. Sign in. So HC, student ID number, and then just student ID number for password. When you get in there, you are going to see some different rows here. You actually want to go down to interactive workbooks where it says My English Lab. Open that up. Open it up again. You will see this gray box, Pearson. Click on that. Actually, it's a good idea to click this star. The star will create a new folder called Favorites, and you'll be able to go to your favorites to find this every day. Okay, now it's in my favorites, so I can open it. All of your homework will be under the assignment tab, so stay here. Don't go into other areas. Those are not going to help you. Here is where your assignments will be. Here we have 2 assignments. You will go to Open, and then you will follow the directions to complete the homework. 2 options when you complete the homework. If you do not finish, you can save it to come back later. If you do finish, then you want to submit. So that is how you access and do the My English Lab homework or MEL.